Dad, why are you eating alone? There's a middle-aged woman working in the field, and she must be hungry too. I'll take my share of momos and give it to her.
Yes, son, please go ahead and keep helping people like this in the future too.
Dad, you're very kind. Thank you so much. Now I'll quickly take these momos to that woman. Here, Auntie, I brought these momos for you.
Oh, thank you so much, son. You're very kind. May God bless you always. Now, I'll eat this momo. I was really hungry too.
Friends, this auntie is very nice, and when I saw her working in the sun, I couldn't bear it, so I brought momos for her to eat. Friends, if you're as kind-hearted as me, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and leave a lovely comment for me too.